Hey, hiya, welcome. Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different and it's a long-awaited video. You guys have been asking me to film this for months. We're finally doing an updated apartment tour. If you guys were with me last year around this time, I filmed an apartment tour, but it was like an apartment that I newly moved into, so there was not very much shit in it at all. However, that has changed. Me and my roommate Lex have been living in this apartment for about a year now, and we're really excited with the way that it's turned out. I've made a lot of changes within the past couple of months, actually. Without further ado, let's just pop right on in and give y'all a tour. We're gonna start at my door. Right here. Lex and I live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so she has about one half of the apartment and I have the other half, and then the living room is in the middle. So, when you first walk in the apartment, this is what you see. It's really dark. There we go. That's Lex's side of the apartment right here, and then we go into the living room. And then there's the kitchen, and my side of the apartment is on that side as well. Directly to the left of you when you walk in are these closets. This is literally the only storage that we have. So we have a lot of random shit in here, like our Christmas tree. Usually our vacuum's here, but someone's borrowing it. And then a shit ton of recycle and other things that we don't use very often. Sheets, towels, extra shit. We're just gonna keep that closed because she's not the cutest. Going into the living room, as I said, that's Lex's side right here. So we have her bedroom and her bathroom. And then into the living room. The living room is actually really big for the size apartment that we have. Hello, there's me. What's good? So this side of the living room, we have our couch and our side chair. So this couch, this coffee table, the little end table over there, and then this chair as well as the entertainment center, all actually came in the apartment when we moved in. So this is all a furnished apartment. The only furniture that we bought is this little chair right here, and then we bought all the decorations. So we have the rug from Ross, that poof is from Wayfair, that blanket I made by hand, IKEA, I made Target, IKEA, Target, IKEA, IKEA, Ross, IKEA, no idea, and IKEA, and Target. This little swivel chair over here is actually a tulip swivel chair that they just have at Target. I think they have a couple of other ones different places, but Lex and I really liked the Target one. It's like this gray, not really like suede, but it's a really soft material. And we really love it. And then it swivels as well, which is super exciting and it's super comfortable. These shelves I actually installed myself. I literally bought a drill and learned how to use a drill in the same afternoon. So this is actually my favorite part of the apartment right here, this entire wall. Literally like love our living room so much. It's so cute. So on the coffee table right here, ooh, it's bright, we have this little basket. This basket is from Target. That candle, I believe, is from Nordstrom Rack. This little glass jar is from Target. And then these peonies are fake and they are from Michael's. And then as I said before, under the table, we just keep this poof. This poof used to be so big and I've had it since freshman year. So it is literally like the most saggy thing ever now. And it's kind of falling apart. So we keep it under there. Sometimes we sit on it and do homework, but it doesn't really function for much else at this point. To the side of the couch, we have this little like end table thing. On it, we just have a couple of records. I do have a record player, but these ones usually just like chill here. I don't have my record player out very often. We have this little dish that Lex got from her friend, and we just keep all of our remotes and stuff in it. So we also have these little coasters. These are from Target. If you watched my video last year, I had these. We have some more records back there, and then we have my Echo Dot, and then this final little plant from Target as well. Moving over to the TV side of the apartment. This side I still feel like needs a little bit of work, but we're getting there. We have this poof from Target. I have the chair, that is the side chair that came with it. This blanket's from Target, that pillow is from Target, that pillowcase is from Amazon, and then there's a pillow from Target inside. Above this chair, we have a lamp that I got from Jacob. It's really bright and really LED, so we don't use it all that often, but it sits back there in case we're doing homework. These little teardrop guys are from Amazon. I don't know where Lex got that. Then we have the TV and the entertainment stand. On top of the entertainment stand, we have these little flowers, that little Eiffel Tower, and the little succulent that kind of block the cords that are behind there. Not well, but it's better than nothing. We also have these books right here. Lex and I are obsessed with the little poetry books, so we have a shit ton that just like chill here. I am in the middle of Between You and Me's Bones right now, and it's really good. And then we have this little gold decorative elephant guy. I think that's from Ross or TJ Maxx or something. And then I'm just gonna sit down on the floor here. This is fine. On the entertainment stand down at the bottom, I feel like that's not in focus, we have the Wii, the Xbox, some of these little succulents. They're all from IKEA except for that big cactus back there. That one's from World Market. All of these bins are from IKEA. They're super cheap, and we literally just have the most random stuff in there. So this one down at this bottom side is cat toys. If you see bra cups in there, it is because our cat loves to play with bra cups. This has some Xbox stuff. So there's like headphones, there's the microphone for the Rock Band. There's another Rock Band microphone in this Goodwill bag. Also there's some chargers down at the bottom there too. This case has all of our Xbox games, and then we have my record player down here. This box has some card games and stuff like that. So we have What Do You Meme, Cards Against Humanity, and Uno. And then this box has the Xbox controllers, Wii controllers, and all of the Wii games. So they just like all chill in there. I would love for this to look a little bit different, but we just have so much shit and nowhere to put it that it has to look like this. To the right of the entertainment stand, we just have this little corner with a whole bunch of decorations. Tapestry is from Ross or TJ Maxx, I don't remember. Basket is from Target. All of those blankets are from who knows where. That plant, I believe, is from Ross, and then that plant is from Nordstrom Rack. That is about it for the living room. So now we are gonna move into the kitchen. In our kitchen, we have this giant kitchen island, and then these bar stools came with the furniture as well. The cushions for the bar stools, Lex's mom actually made these. So they have little cats. They have little cat buttons in the middle, and every single one has a different cat. So like this one's an orange one, that one's a white one, and then the far one is like a black and white one. In the middle of the island, we have this little cutting board thing. I don't know where Lex got this from. These little cacti are from IKEA. Now, once you're behind the counter, we have this, all of this in the kitchen. On the fridge, we have these magnets. These are all from Target. They're the little like succulent guys that literally just have like a magnet on the back. I bought 5 of them and I thought they were really cute, so I stuck them on there. Above the fridge, we have flowers and stuff, a little pot. This half of the kitchen is mine. So I have pasta. Oh my God, I forgot I bought peaches. So I have like a little bit of boxed pasta. This is all from my parents. My brother became gluten and soy free, so he can't eat any of this shit, so I have to eat it all, but I haven't made it yet. Sauces, more pasta, some graham crackers, and then spices up the top, and then some extra bowls and random stuff up there. This cabinet just has my bread, some more stuff, and some more stuff. Above the microwave is even more food, protein, pre-workout, and then coupon books. This cabinet is where we keep our plates and stuff. Glasses, and then some Tupperware, some more mason jars and stuff like that, and then more mugs at the top. On top of the counter, now we're getting somewhere. These, I believe, are all from Pier 1 or Pottery Barn? I don't remember. And then we have our sink. We're gonna ignore the fact that there's shit in the sink. Our dishwasher is currently broken, so we have to wait for them to install a new one. Paper towels, our little scrubbies for when we do dishes by hand, and then a soap container. I don't know where that's from. This, however, is all from IKEA except for the little tapestry guy. The little tapestry guy is from Target. So we have the bar that we installed, and then those that we don't actually use for food and stuff. They're just decoration. Plant, and the little tapestry thing. On the floor in front of the sink, we have this rug that is from Target, and then it actually has one of these like non-slip pads underneath because this is really slick on its own and I didn't want us falling on our face. We also have a dishwasher and a mini fridge in the kitchen island, as well as stuff in these cabinets, but honestly, I don't really know that I want to open them because it's the most random shit ever. Exiting the kitchen, we are now getting to my side of the apartment. So the first thing you see on my side is this little mirror right here. Hello. This is from a store near me called Found. It's one of my favorite little like home stores and stuff like that. It has super cute stuff. Then we have the AC, and this closet right here is where the washer and dryer are. We're gonna go into my bathroom right now, which is next to the washer and dryer. Here I am again. Wow, look at that. This is my bathroom. So on top of the sink, we have our soap dispenser. This is from Ross, and then I just have like an extra ponytail there, so I always know where one is. On this side, I have my toothbrush holder. This is literally just a glass from the Target like cups section. Then I have 2 different toothbrushes in there. This is for when I whiten my teeth, and this is my normal toothbrush. I have this little planty guy from IKEA, and then this glass is also from the same set as this one. And then I just keep my exfoliating face brush in there, as well as a teeth whitening pen. These towels are from Target. I just have these like pink ones, and then this white one that's looking really crusty because I haven't washed it this week yet. And then moving on, I closed the toilet, lol. This trash can is also from Target. It kind of matches the glasses that I have, Kleenex. And then these towels are pretty much just for decoration. I don't know that I've ever used them. This also just pink and then white. The clock up here is also from Target. The rug in front of the shower is also from Target. Then we also have my actual towel. They're just looking kind of crusty right now. Let's ignore that. And then a washcloth. And then we have the stuff in the shower, which is basically, I got these little glasses online from Amazon, and I just put all of my products in there as well. So I have this little exfoliator from Target. That's my purple shampoo, my conditioner, and then my body wash. The last thing in the bathroom is this poster that I made. It just says "Get Naked," and then I got it printed, and then I got the frame from IKEA. Last but not least, we have my bedroom. The first thing you see when you walk into my bedroom is this little shelving unit from IKEA. I just have some random decorations and stuff like that on there, and I think it really fits this space really nicely. So we have a candle from World Market. I don't remember where this is from. Some old planners, and then a mindfulness geometric coloring book. And then this plant from IKEA with some random like orange and yellow flowers stuck in there. The second shelf has this frame on it. I got this frame from IKEA, and I stuck some stickers in there for a picture for my work. This actually, that's what it's supposed to say, but I had to take that off when I was taking the picture for my work, obviously, because you can't show that. And then I just have some of my jewelry. This is most of my jewelry, actually. This cup has all of my like hoop earrings and a couple of studs and stuff like that. I have my movement watch, rings, and then necklaces and stuff like that right there. Going down again, I have this book called Steal Like an Artist. It's really, really good. Another candle. That is from Target. I just have it doing like a little like whatever thing. A Starbucks cup that I got from Goodwill, and then a plant from IKEA in there. Down, ooh, that was my knee. Down again, I have this little vase from IKEA. That's from Target. And then I have some notebooks and planners and stuff on this side. And the very bottom shelf has another plant from IKEA. This white gardenia candle from Bath & Body Works. That's really, really good. Smells amazing. I actually have the wallflower scent of it right there. And then I have some perfumes, and then my Instax printer right there. And then hanging on the side, I have a couple of purses, and then my everyday purse, as well as a hat from Target. Moving into the actual room itself, I have my desk and my bed on the same wall here. So on my desk, I have my iMac computer. Everybody that's asking what this clock is, it's an iMac computer with the Fleeklo screensaver. So it's not on right now, obviously. But the Fleeklo screensaver is like completely free for anybody to download. You can download it on a Mac or on Windows. So if you like the clock that I've been showing in my videos, that's what it is. And then we have my lamp with a random scrunchie on it. I don't know why this is here right now, honestly. And then we have my pen cup, another little rock that actually holds like pages and stuff like that, so I stick my to-do list in there. And then a pair of eyelashes that I just didn't put away, lol. On the wall behind, we have two little posters. This is based off of one from Society 6. I made this one myself. I'm not selling them or anything like that, but they just didn't have the Society 6 one in the size that I needed. So I made it myself and got it printed somewhere. And then I also got that printed right here. That's me. We have my closet, which has these giant curtains on it that I'm probably not going to open because it's kind of a mess in there, but that's where I keep the majority of my clothes. On the desk chair, I also have this pillow from, I believe, Ross. And then under the desk, I have trash can, random Amazon box, and my printer. Behind my bed here, I have a little nightstand. And then I have my laptop. Then I have this other fake plant from Ross, my diff blue light glasses. Behind this plant, actually, I have a couple of things on the wall. So I have a dream catcher that's blue and cute, and I really like it, but you can't even really see it. And honestly, I kind of forgot it was back there. And then I have this little wooden thing that says I love you very much. And then there are two little dangly lights that you just pull on the little string for, and then they light up from Target. My bed looks like this. So I have this blanket, that's the word. I have this blanket from Target on top, and then I have a Buffy comforter that I actually covered in a duvet because I have a habit of eating food and then spilling things on my bed. We also have these pillows on here. This one is from Amazon. It has another pillow, I think, from Ross in there. I believe this pillow is from Bed Bath & Beyond. That one's from Home Goods. I have these pillows from IKEA with the same duvet cover as the bed, like the actual comforter. And then I have these pillows with my gray sheets. These sheets I think are from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. And then we have the window. So in the windowsill, I have this little moon that's probably dead. It lights up, right? It lights up, but it's dead right now, so it's like not doing anything. But normally it lights up. And then I have these plants right here. This is the only real plant. This is aloe. His name is Carl. And then I have these ones all from Target. On the wall behind my bed, I drew some succulents. I had them in my last room and I really, really liked them. So I just took some chalk and colored on the concrete because it's a concrete post and it just wipes off after we're done. And then I also have these two big palm leaves from IKEA. On this side of my bedroom, we have the giant floor-to-ceiling windows. There are floor-to-ceiling windows in every single room in this apartment besides the bathrooms. And then we have this plant that usually chills outside actually, but she was getting really hot and like toasty and kind of dying a little bit because it's so freaking hot outside. So I brought her into my room and I water her every once in a while. And then I have my giant mirrors that are supposed to be on this closet. And I just keep them on that side of the apartment because I like the way it looks. It makes it look a little bit bigger in here. And then I can take selfies and it's cute. There are no lights in this bedroom, so one of the outlets actually connects to the light switch that is over next to the door. So I just have it running up and then I put Christmas lights around the vent. And then the Christmas lights will flip on when you flip the light switch. So I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. I love this apartment so much. And I really enjoyed decorating it. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car.